Good afternoon, children. Let us start the session with a beautiful quote. There is nothing in a caterpillar that tells you it's going to be a butterfly. Said by Buckminster Fuller. That means you can never tell a person's potential or strength just by looking at them. Give people a chance to blossom and change. Whatever they are today, they can become something better in the future. In the same way, how the caterpillar changed into a beautiful butterfly. Let's start today's session with even and odd numbers. Already we have learned from class 1 even and odd numbers. What are even numbers then? Even numbers are the numbers which are multiples of 2. That is the multiples of 2 tables, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 32, 56, 84, 108. So these numbers which ends with the multiples of 2 are the numbers called as even numbers. Then what is odd number? So remaining or odd numbers you can take, or odd numbers are the numbers which are not multiples of 2. So starts with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Again the repeats 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Or you can take some more numbers 51, 83, 105, 207, 1089. So these numbers are odd numbers. The numbers which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called odd numbers. The numbers which ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 or 10 are called as even numbers. Now let us solve some sums on even numbers and odd numbers. Here encircle the even numbers. So you can see 4 is a multiple of 2. So circle 4. 7 is not a even number. Next 8 is a multiple of 2. 12 is a multiple of 2. 19 is not a multiple of 2. So 28 is a even number. 6, so 6 is a multiple of 2. So 56. 77 is not a multiple of 2. It is an odd number. Now encircle the odd numbers. Now you have to check the odd numbers. 76. 6 is a even number. So go to 49. 9 ends with 49 ends with 9. So 49 is the odd number. 3 is a odd number. 9. Again 19 ends with 9. So 19 is a odd number. 24. 4 is a multiple of 2. So it is a even number. 57 ends with 7. So 57 is a odd number. 69 9 is a end of 69. So here 9 is a multiple of 69. Now 69 is an odd number. Next fill in the blanks. 75 is an dash number. So 75 has 5 as the end number. So here we have to write whether it is even or odd. So 75 is a odd number. Now 178. 8 is a multiple of 2. Then 178 is an even number. 1082. 2 is a even number which is a multiple of 2. So here 1082 is a even number. Here 1493. It ends with 3. So 3 is a odd number. So 1493 is also a odd number. A number which is a multiple of dash is called an even number. What is even number? When it is a multiple of 2. Smallest even number is dash. So we know that smallest even number starts with 2, not 0, because 0 doesn't have value. So starts with 2. Odd number, smallest odd number starts with 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now you learnt what is odd and even number. Now let us go to common multiples. As you learnt in the previous class, multiples. So here now we are going to learn about common multiples. Let us take two numbers, say for example 2 and 3. We know multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and goes on. Multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and goes on. Now you have to select, according to the heading is common multiples. So you have to select the common number in both the tables. So now 6 is a common. Next 12. Next 18. Next you can get 24. Next you get 30. So in this way it goes on, continues. Now the common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and it continues. Among these common multiples, which is the smallest multiple, children? These are the common multiples. In this, which is the smallest? 6 is the smallest. So 6 is called lowest common multiple. LCM. The abbreviation is LCM. Lowest common multiple, which is important concept, children. You get in the higher classes how to calculate the LCM of a given number. So here, so learn clearly, understand the concept clearly. So now here 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3 multiples. Now let us solve some more sums on this common multiple. Now we are going to learn the basic of LCM. So here, now how to find the LCM. So here is the one of the method. Start with 4 multiples of 4. That is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28 and goes on. Now multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36 and goes on. Now you can check what are the common multiples in this. 4 multiples and 6 multiples. You can see 12, 12, 24, 24. You can get still one more. Still more you can get, that is 36, 48 and goes on. Now common multiples of 4 and 6. So you can stop up to you get the common multiples 2 or more than 2. Not 1, children, because we have to write the lowest common multiple. So you can stop up to till you get the common multiple as 2 numbers or more than 2. 12, 24 and goes on because it continues. Next, in this common multiple, which is the lowest common multiple? That is 12. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Next one, we have 3 numbers. So first you have to write multiples of 6. That is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 and goes on. Now multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56 and goes on. See children, in how many concepts we are using multiplication tables. Without tables you can't solve the sums on mathematics. So be careful and learn and practice the tables regularly. Now multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 and goes on. Now you have to write the common multiples of these 3 tables. What are the common multiples here? Start with 12. See, here you have 12. but here we don't have 12 and here we have 12. Then you should not write the common multiple. You have to get the common multiple in 3 tables. So here 24, 24, 24. Next one 48, 48, 48. So you can write what are the common multiples here? 24, 48. If you see that it is a 24th table. Then what is the LCM? That is lowest common multiple is 24. The smallest number starts with 24. So the LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is 24. Next one is find the LCM of 5, 6 and 10. So write first multiples of 5. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are, 5 fours are, 5 fives are, 5 6 are, 5 sevens are, 5 eights are, and goes on. Next multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and goes on. Next multiples of 10. 10, 20. It's very easy to write the 10 table, isn't children? 40, 50, 60 and goes on. Now you have to find the common multiple in these 3 numbers. So you can start with 10, no. 20, no. 30, 30, 30. Yes. So you get 30, 30, 30. Next you can easily identify that. 30. It starts with 30 table, isn't it? 31s are 30, 32s are 60. So you can write in the same way. It's a 30 table. So you get the common multiple as 30, 60, 90, 120. So in this common multiple, which is the lowest common multiple is 30. Is it clear, children? Next, find the LCM of the given numbers by listing multiples of these numbers. So 9 and 18. In the same way, write the multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72 and goes on. Next 18 table. 18, 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126 and goes on. In this, now you have to find the common multiple in both the tables. So 18, 18. Next one is 36, 36. 54, 54, 72, 72. So you can write it is a 18th table. 18, 36, 54, 72 and goes on. Now, which is the smallest common multiple, that is lowest common multiple is 18. LCM of 9 and 18 is 18 itself. You can easily, by seeing the question only, you can identify, children. Here you can see 9 and 18 are the multiples of 9. Is it right? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So in this, so the LCM will become 18. The bigger number will be the LCM. You can see here also. But these are not the common multiples. 5 is different, 6 is different, 10 is different. So in that which is common, you can see that 30. So these are 9 and 18 are the multiples of 9 itself. So you can get the highest is 18. So the LCM will become 18. Now here you can see 12, 14, 84. Now start with multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96 and goes on. Next 14, 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98 and goes on. Next, it's a bigger table, children. 84, you can't remember that, so you can add and write the table. So repetition, by adding 84 plus 84 you get the 84 2s are 120, 168. So by adding you can get it, because the multiplication is a repeated addition. So 84 1s are 84, 84 2s are 168, 84 3s are 252, 84 4s are 360, 336, 84 5s are 420 and goes on. Now children, you have to select the common multiple from these three tables. So 84 is the greatest number, so you can see that where is the 84? Yes, 84, 84, 84. So here we have the multiple, the common multiple as 84, and if you goes on you will get 168 also, because 84 table starting with 84 is the common multiple. Then 84 1s are 84, 84 2s are 168 and goes on. Now children, you can see 12, 14 and 84 is the common multiple. So you will get the LCM as the biggest number is 84. So you can write which is the smallest, that is lowest common multiple is 84. I hope children you have understood today's session of multiples and how to find the LCM. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep going. Thank you children.